Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Mr. SK Tech. Okay friends, today's topic is how to add website link in description. Okay friends, please subscribe my channel and comment on the video and share the video for your friends. Okay friends, what is link? Link is nothing but the short thing which gives direct entry to the website, app or other applications which you can download directly from that. If there is no link friends, you have to go to browser and search about that, and you have to select the particular website and select the particular image, and you have to download. But by the links, viewers directly go to the app and website and they will directly download that. Let us start the video. Please subscribe my channel. Okay friends, let us start the video. First, let us go to YouTube Studio friends. You have to select the particular video which you want. Let me select this video. Add anything which you want to type in the descriptions friend. You have to start with hello friends and you have to do it. Okay friends, let me save this in background and let me go to Chrome. YouTube, you have to type, let me type that, how to add that. You have to choose anything which you want to download. Okay, you have to go to which website you want to go, and you can see friends, the website has been opened friends, and the photos are coming. You have to on desktop site friends, because you have to copy the link. Click on that lock option, it will ask share the link. You have to choose copy and you have to paste here friends. By this way we can add the description, add the link in description friends. When we open the YouTube Studio, let me show how it opens friends. Let me go to YouTube browser to show this how it works. You have to click on the description and click on the link. It will directly open friends. You can see friends, it has been directly opened. You can select anything here, any photos here or videos. Like this way we can add the website link in description friends, which will help the viewers and YouTubers also friends, because it saves the time. Because if we are doing the logo, we have to choose the particular background only. For that, this helps friends. Like this we can add the website link in description friends. Thanks for seeing the video till the end, and please subscribe my channel friends. Okay friends, let me meet in the next video. Thank you.